Everyone, in this video we are going to install the XAMPP server. So for that we need to go to this website, that's apachefriends.org. I'll put this link in the description section from where you can download this XAMPP server. You can see XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment, and this is a completely free, easy to install Apache installation containing MariaDB, PHP, Perl. So you can read this for further explanation or further understanding of this. And for downloading, we just have to click on download, and today I'm installing it on my Windows based machine. So for that I'm downloading this. So this is download for 64-bit. You click there and it will start downloading on your machine. So for today's video, I have already downloaded this, and I'll show you the installation steps. That is quite easy, I think. So this is already downloaded on my computer. That is available on my downloads folder here. And for installation, we just have to double click this XAMPP Windows, and you can say first we have to authenticate it. Yes, you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, we say yes. And after this it will start the installation process, and then there are some questions you need to read out and then answer those questions. And there are some maybe warning messages, you need to read it before installation, because I'm sure that I want to install it. So I'm going to install it and set up. Now this has started the setting it up. And then what components you want to install. So by default I'm selecting all these components because this can be used for server, Apache server. We can work in, let's say, for learning MySQL, and then Tomcat server is also there. So I'm selecting all these components of Apache the XAMPP server, and then click next. And this is asking for the selection of location, so I'm selecting maybe D drive for me, and then click next. And this is the language, and click next. And now you can see this has started installation process. First is the installing maybe unpackaging files, and this may take some time depending on our on the speed of our computer. And maybe I'll fast forward these steps so that we can have a shorter video, just because we are only showing the installation. And now this is asking for permission, and this is a message from Windows Defender Firewall. I'm going to allow access for this installation, and then it still is working. And completing the XAMPP setup wizard, that's done. And now you can see the first window, the control panel appears in front of you, and here you can start the required services which you want to work in. Let's say we can go back here. Yes, so these are, and this is the installation. And now you want to start any service. Let's say if you want to start Apache services, then you just have to click here, start. And now you can see it has selected the port numbers and process IDs, and Apache services are running now successfully. And if you want to configure it, you want to make some updates, or maybe you want to configure, change the configuration, then you just have to click there. And you can see there are different files which you can configure. And in the same way, if you want to start MySQL, then also just have to start it, and then it will select this. After asking for permission, it will select some ports, and you can see this has selected some port numbers, and this is the process ID and MySQL. The screen shows that both of the modules on XAMPP servers are running. And then yes, here there are some of the files which maybe we'll be exploring more when we will be learning about more about SQL or the databases, and sometimes we'll be working on Tomcat server as well. But this was just a simple installation of XAMPP server on Windows based machines. So thank you for your time. Hope to see you in some other video.